there, Sandy here. If you're watching this video, that probably means you enjoy my tutorials here on YouTube, but I wanted to be sure you knew about the other tutorials I have in my Etsy shop. I have tutorials for fairy houses, flower fairies, and dragons. Tutorials for fantasy cabochons, polymer pendants, and loads of tutorials for fairy garden accessories, such as a bird bath, a wishing well, a glowing lamppost, and the sweetest little acorn mailbox you ever did see. There are toots for jewelry, figurines, and even some home deck pieces. The Vines and Flowers pen is a particular favorite. There are two different types of classes in my Etsy shop: PDFs and videos. Whichever kind you choose, you receive a complete supply list with product links and links to helpful resources. You'll be able to download your classes instantly so you can start creating right away. And yes, you can even download the videos to keep for your personal use forever. I have created every tutorial with care and attention to detail, with a focus on making all the steps as clear and understandable as possible. Here's what other customers have to say about my classes. The links will be in the upper right and also down in the description box. If you're looking to stretch your creativity and try something new, check them out and let me know what you think. I'm always happy to answer your questions. Happy creating!